So guys, right now I am gonna do some. I'm kind of wondering what's the best way to make money in this. Wow, this is. And I'm thinking sticky games, but I'm gonna kill myself right now. That's really loud. Like that's. I'm thinking, how can I make money in this game? Like, obviously, like I'm not doing it how I normally would. I'm just showing you guys quickly, like I would use my friends wisely, but like that just, so that I don't think that gets like. I guess I could just like do that every time. I don't know. Like, is that a lot of money? But like, if I just kept grinding every time like that, like I don't think that's a lot of money. So what I'm thinking is, I should do challenges. And my favorite one is spikes. Personally, my favorite one is spikes. But you guys do it. Either do bounce or spikes. And just try to get every coin that is possible. Like, flat out. And I'm gonna look at this, okay? I'm gonna wait till I have, okay, 51,000. I'm gonna wait till I have about $100,000 on this game mode. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute when I have $100,000. Okay, guys, I am back, and that took me about 2 minutes, and I'm at $100,000. So now I'm gonna look at something. Like right now. Oh, okay. Let me just come. Yeah. Main menu. Okay, now I'm gonna look. Guys, I'm gonna look at something. Wow, the speed. Like, that costs more. Yeah, obviously, the longest thing. But okay, so first one I'm gonna check. Wait, so okay. Correct me if I'm wrong. Gives me $843. You guys saw that, $843 per coin. Let's see. Now I spend it on this, making me more money. Still gives me 843, right? So now let's check. Will it give me more money if I upgrade this? 843 still. I don't know. I'm like confused. How did I get to? I used to get like 100 per one. I'm so confused. Do I need to go to a different game mode? I feel like I should get more money. Because how did I go up? Like, what if I try bounce? Like, what? Okay, well, like, I don't know. Do I have to upgrade all of them? I'll upgrade this one next, and we'll see you guys. Well, I'm getting that. You know, I've never done this. I got this game like yesterday or something. I'm using my custom fidget spinner. It is like, on this fidget spinner, it's so dumb. Like, it gives me a 10% extra money on watching videos. It gives me like 10% extra money on XP. And it gives me like 3% extra speed. Okay, so next we'll upgrade that. But guys, I like my custom one, max XP gain, and video reward 20%. Like I could use like any of these garbage ones. Oh, it looks okay, but it won't give me that max speed 3. Then I could use any of these. That one doesn't really matter. Like, I think it looks cool like that. Like, that's just enough. Like, there's this. I don't think that matches as much as this one. I don't know. But then there's this one. You guys could have nothing, but you know, I want that. I want that. But now, guys. What? Can I just watch a video for 4,000? More like, let me just look. Like, we'll see. Let's upgrade all 3 of them to get my money up. Like, I need more money from you. Like, my money goes up. I don't know. Like, do I need to get to balance like as 50, or do I need to complete like lava, or do I don't even know, guys. I think that that was Grease the Wheels, like my favorite one. Check this out. Yes, key. So guys, okay, so listen to me right now, guys. If you upgrade all those, I think it'll upgrade your money in your spin too. I think it'll give you more money for your spins, but I think the best way you guys should do this is do challenges, do spikes or bounce, whatever one you're better with, and just collect that money. And just grind like as much money as you can. Like, just try to grab all the money, like all the coins that you can. And then once you have like 150 coins, or like, let's say you guys are like starting and you guys want to save up, like you guys get to like 50,000 coins, you guys want to even it out. Like, I'll show you what I mean, guys. Okay. What I mean by even it out is, like, let's say you make like $50,000 and you haven't bought anything yet. Like, buy like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like, buy 3 of them, like of each, or however much you can, and try to make it even. Cause then, when you guys are grinding in this, you'll get so much more money. Like, it's unbelievable. Like, every time I go back and forth, $1,000. Like, usually it's 1,000. And it's like, I don't even, like, this is how I grind. And then, like, sometimes I play with the fidget spinner. I don't think I have a lot of fidget spinners. Like, I'll show you guys what I mean. Guys, comment down below. Do you want me to keep doing this? Or do you want me to play, like, my Tap to Riches game? Or Build Away? Madden? Mobile? Or NBA Live? Like, comment down below which one you guys want. 19s. I'll show you guys my spinners after this. But this is how I usually spin. Wow, that was a horrible spin. I guess I'll try to make up. I don't think I can make up for that horror. Oh, I did. Wow. Well, I can't make up for this one. This one was horrible. Like, oh my, ooh, that spins up. Whatever, we'll just do that. Hopefully get to like 300. That was horrible. Whatever, we'll just stop. But guys, like, I'll show you my other games. And actually, I'll show you my spinners first. This is my custom one that I love to use. That's like I could go on kind of long. Like I'm almost at the end. Like my last fidget. Yeah, I don't have a lot. I'll show you some other games, guys. I have like 5 more minutes of recording before it's done. So I can play NBA Live. Wow, hold up, that's a lot of noise. I can play NBA Live, Madden Mobile. Okay, guys. So this is football. This is basketball. This is a game that we were just playing. Fidget spinner, right in the middle. Tag to Riches is on the right. I'll show you that. Like the thing, like I buy lots of, like with my money that I get, like I get money offline, but with that money I go and I buy businesses, and it's like an investment. Where'd all my money? It's at like 28 billion. Okay, well, whatever. I just invest in businesses, and like I try to